Well, good evening and thanks for joining us for KREM 2 News. I'm Amanda Rowley. A somber day in Coeur d'Alene. The first of two fire battalion chiefs killed in an ambush on Canfield Mountain was laid to rest this morning. Today, the community came together to honor Coeur d'Alene Fire Battalion Chief John Morrison Jr. He served in the department for more than 28 years. Morrison held many roles throughout his career. He was 52 years old. And as North Idaho firefighters grieve the loss of both battalion chiefs, other Idaho first responders from across the state are filling in for the emergency call responders. KREM 2's Connor McAvoy shows us how firefighters who knew both men are remembering them.
It's all smiles and hugs at the Kootenai County Fire and Rescue headquarters. Firefighters coming together to help mourn the loss of North Idaho Battalion Chiefs John Morrison Jr. and Frank Harwood. Both men were murdered in what investigators say was a targeted ambush on Canfield Mountain. Their legacy remembered by Deputy Chief of Operations at Kootenai County Rescue, Holley.
Both friends of mine on a personal level, but they're also colleagues and fantastic firemen.
Their loss, Holley says, while still fresh on firefighters' minds, is bringing in support from other first responders from across the state. Today and into tomorrow, their job is to fill the role of Kootenai County firefighters to allow colleagues of both men to grieve.
This is unprecedented. We have teams here to help support us that have been doing these types of events, unfortunately.
Roughly 70 first responders from 16 different agencies traveled to Kootenai County from Boise, Caldwell, and Meridian, just to name a few. The professional firefighters of Idaho helped coordinate the dozens of staff filling the gaps in service.
Those positions were not just filled, but we overstaffed, knowing we're having firefighters coming into an unfamiliar territory.
Kurt Carpenter is the president of the Idaho Fire Chiefs Association. He says the aid firefighters are bringing to families and colleagues is important during the grieving process.
Just start having conversations about mental health, some of the impacts this will have on not just this fire department and the families, but also the community.
A celebration of life for friends and family and a public procession happened today for John Morrison. Another for Frank Harwood will be held tomorrow at the same procession line. All the while, firefighters like Holley are thankful for the time off duty to remember their friends.
There'll be brighter days ahead, but right now we are missing them tremendously.
Connor McAvoy, KREM 2 News.